Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had an amazing long weekend. You guys chill. I hope you guys relax. And I'm back with another video. So this video is gonna be an intricate cut crease look, and to see how I'm gonna achieve that look, stay tuned. And for those of you who are thinking, okay, why is Kamal looking like a ghost? Because even in my previous video, a lot of people who were in the middle of the video were like, oh my god, makeup and all is fine, but why were you looking like a ghost? Well, hi ladies and gentlemen, this is how you look when you've done your base, your concealer, you've set your foundation, and you've done your brows. Nothing new, just the usual stuff in makeup. So without any further ado, I'd like to jump right into the tutorial. So for this tutorial, the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my eyelids, and you can prime your eyelids using anything, but I just feel like concealer does the best job of priming your eyelids. Now why we prime our eyelids? To make sure that the eyeshadow goes on smoothly and it blends nicely and the color pops, you know, because it's almost like you're putting a blank canvas for the art to come to life. Anyway, so this is what the concealer looks like, the Tarte Shape Tape. You guys have seen me use this in my previous video as well. I am absolutely obsessed with this concealer. I think it's a brilliant concealer. I'm just gonna go in with this concealer right here. Okay, put this all over my eyelid. And now very carefully blend it with a beauty blender. Okay, now that the eyelids are primed, now I'm going to go in and set my eyelids. So for setting my eyes, I'll be using the LA Girl setting powder. It's super affordable and it does the job. You can also go for Coty Air Spun. It's available on Amazon. It's an affordable setting powder that has been used by drag queens for the longest time. I mean, all the makeup that you see these days, it's all inspired by drag. So yeah. I'm just gonna lightly put that powder all over my lid. I've come a little closer to the camera so you guys can see what's going on here. So now we're gonna do the eye look. And for the eye look, I'll be using the Morphe in the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is such a gorgeous palette. Let me show you guys. Like, absolutely stunning. It looks like this because A, it's white in color. I still don't understand why did Morphe decide to make this palette in white color. But anyway, it's a beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow palette, and it's got stunning color range, and these eyeshadows are so buttery, so creamy, and they blend beautifully. For the newbies out there who are wondering, okay, what is she saying? You'll know. So the first shade that I'll be using from this palette, I'm gonna put it in my brow bone, which is this area right here. That is the right region. And the brush that I'll be using is a flat shader brush. It's kind of a thin looking brush, you know, that looks like this. So for this eye look, the first shade that I'm going to go in with today is this one right here. It's a milky creamy shade. It's got a little bit of shimmer in it. And I'm going to take a very little amount of it and just put it on my brow bone. Okay, so our brow bone highlight is in its place. Now we're going to go in with the eyeshadows. And the first color that I'm going to go in with is this one right here. It's called Butter. I'm just going to take a little bit of that on my brush, tap off the excess, and just very gently start putting it into my crease. The next color that I'm going to go in with is this one. So I'm just taking my eyeshadow brush and just, this is actually the fluffy blending brush, and I'm just moving in windshield wiper motions like that and blending it away so that there are no harsh lines, like from the outer corner to the inner. Okay, so the next shade that I'm going to go in with is this one right here. I'm going to take it on my brush ever so slightly and just tap off the excess. And okay, now that our crease is warmed up a little, I'm going to go in with this shade right here, this one, and I'm going to keep this color focused on the outer V of my eye. As you can see, I'm going in and out in windshield wiper motions because I don't want any harsh lines. Alright. Now we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Now you wanna keep a very light hand and move from your inner corner to your outer corner. Okay, so our crease is cut nice and clean. You want to take your time on this and you don't really want to rush it because there are very high chances you get this wrong. So yeah. So now again, I'm going to go in with this shade, the one we put in our brow bone at the beginning of inner corner. We're going to put this, we're going to begin putting this shade in the inner corner. Okay, now that we've put our first shade, I'm going to go in with the second shade. The second shade is going to be this shade right here. Okay, now we're going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to put this color on top of the color that I've put previously so that you can't really see a concealer under it. Okay, now we're gonna see a fourth shade. This one. Oops. And I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing on my other eye and be right back. So our eyes are done. I'm now going to go ahead and put... Okay, now that we have our eyeliner on, I'm going to go ahead and put a black kajal in the waterline of my eye. I'm going to go ahead and smoke out my lower lash line. For the same, I'll be using this shader brush that looks like this and take this shade right here and mix them two. And so I'm happy with the way my lower lashes look. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put the mascara, which is the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. This is such a brilliant mascara, you guys. You have to try it if you haven't already. Alrighty, now that our eyes are almost done, I just need to pop on some false lashes. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some lipstick. And for my lips today, I'll be going in with Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Trendsetter. Guys, this concludes my cut crease ombre look. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Shout out to Laura Lee. This is her song, not my song, but I absolutely love it. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. See you guys next week. Bye bye.